beauties, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be showing you how to apply the herbal growth butter that I made in my previous video. This is my hair and I'm going to be working with just these two sections because I have already worked with the other ones. Now this is the butter. Please, if you've not watched the video on how I created this butter, go check out the video. And if you need spray butter, your herbal oil, your combs and brushes, and then your scalp massager. Now I'm just gonna lose my hair, and then this is me taking down the twist. So I sprayed water on my hair to make it damp. As you can see, it's dry. The hair is neat. My hair is very neat, so it's dry. There's no product on it. Now that is the butter. I applied the butter to my hair, not forgetting my ends, very important. So guys, how have you been? It's been a while here. I applied more butter to the hair and I went ahead to finger detangle first before going in with my combs and brush. As I was saying, guys, how you guys doing? It's been a while. I'm sorry I've not been consistent with my posting. That's because I was doing other things. Okay, so I applied my oil to the hair. And guys, do not forget your ends. Don't need those things. Then we begin the combing. You know how it goes with the combing, from the tips to the roots. After that, I went in with my brush from the tips again to the root. Now I twisted that all up beautifully. Yep, as I was twisting, I was brushing the ends too because I don't want any form of tangles. And almost at the end, I applied the butter to keep the ends moisturized. Yep, I applied oil also to my scalp, as you just saw me do. Now I repeated the same process on this other section, going with your water, your butter, your oil, your combs and brushes, then twist and add more butter to the ends to keep the ends moisturized. Okay, so if you've been watching my video, you've been enjoying it, and you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, and for my old subbies, thank you for sticking around. I really do appreciate you. And if you have any questions about hair or any video you want me to do, please state that in the comment section and I will do what you requested. So that's pretty much it. This is how to apply the butter to your hair. This butter left my hair moisturized, shiny and perfect. Okay, I didn't apply the butter to my scalp. Instead, I applied the oil to my scalp. That's because I don't want product buildup and I don't want to be washing my hair every week. Yes. And so the last step was to massage, and I used my scalp massager to massage my scalp. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.